Hi Shane, Charlie here from Wayne Phillips Ford. Firstly, I'd like to thank you for your inquiry on a lovely 2013 VF Holden Commodore SS in blue, 6-speed manual. The vehicle is locally owned and in wonderful condition with full Holden service history. Looking from the front, you'll see the front sensors, the LED running lights. Great colour. Car sits in those lovely 18-inch alloy Holden Commodore rims, plenty of tread left in the tyres there. Moving around the vehicle, see the reverse sensors that are standard. The vehicle's done roughly 76,000 kilometres. Great kilometres for the year of the car. So many features as well. Awesome 6-litre V8. 8 airbags, electronic stability control, traction control, brake distribution. Also has the rear camera as well as those sensors there. Blind spot detection, dual zone climate control. Looking inside the vehicle, beautiful sport seating there with that leather and suede. Automatic lights, Bluetooth, cruise control. There's this manual 6-speed. Dual zone climate. Have that great reverse camera. It's electronic park brake as well, really easy to operate. Just having a look at the back seats. Once again, superb condition. Vents in the back as well. Absolute credit to the previous owner. So I'll send this through. Hopefully it'll give you a bit more of an idea on the vehicle you've inquired about. I know you're looking at popping through tomorrow. And thanks again for your inquiry. Thanks, Shane.